Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to advertise your Shopify store for free. So once your Shopify store is fully set up and you've chosen a solid product to sell, the next step, and often the hardest one, is getting people to actually visit your store and make purchases. This is where many new store owners struggle. So you generally have two options for attracting customers. First is paid advertising. You can run ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, or TikTok. This can be effective, but it requires a budget. So you can check it out if you do have a budget to pay for ads. The second option is through organic marketing, which is free. So this method takes more time and effort, but it doesn't cost anything. So basically, you create content featuring your product and post it on social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, especially in the form of short videos like these. These platforms can help you build interest organically. But once people are engaged, you can place a link to your store in your bio so viewers can easily visit your site and make a purchase. So right now, TikTok is one of the best platforms for this approach. Whether you're running paid ads or growing organically, TikTok's algorithm is great at finding the right audience. And ads are also cheaper here compared to Facebook or Google. So if you have a budget, you can consider using TikTok ads. But if you're starting with no money, focus on becoming good at content creation and creating short videos like these. So here's a tip. You can go to TikTok and search for something like TikTok made me buy it. And then you'll find tons of viral videos featuring trending or dropshipping style products. These videos can give you inspiration for how to present your product in a way that gets attention. For example, I'm going to find one page in here, like this one. So one of their video got over 1.2 million views. And we can see that the creator linked their Shopify store in their bio, so we can visit it and go to their Shopify website. This is most likely a Shopify one. And again, their video got a million of views and they also had a store linked in their bio. If even a small percentage of those viewers converted into customers, that's a huge number of potential sales, all without spending anything on ads. So if you're low on budget but rich in time, creating viral style content and leveraging platforms like TikTok could be your best free marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.